Chieserish, wait. Okay, we got Chris, we got Tony. We got Chris, we got Tony.
Wait, I'm over here now. Sal Governale from Big Meals, Small Places. I'm at Chris and Tony's family-style restaurant because when we quarantine, we cook for families. We're breaking the rules. As you can see, there's no toaster ovens here, right, Tony? Oh.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Chris and Tony's in Syosset has been taking care of the essential workers and been taking care of the community. And as community people like ourselves, we come back and give back to the restaurants, and that's what we're doing today. And today, Tony, what type of dish are we making? Linguine alla nina nonna. That sounds like something. That sounds like something my father would say when he whacks me in the head.
And there it is. We reenacted one of the most beautiful moments in my life.
So, stay tuned. Big Meals, Small Places. Be sure to subscribe and stay safe.
First, 1 cup of chopped garlic in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, high heat. Then get the pasta going. You're going to boil 1 pound of thin linguine. Get that garlic nice and crispy and brown. Then add 2 cups of tomato sauce and 1 cup of chopped grape tomatoes. Put that back on the high heat. Get that simmering really well. You're going to add some salt to this and some pepper, just a nice sprinkle. Mix that up as well and let that simmer for about 3 minutes. Add a cup of chopped basil and 1 cup of the hot pasta water from your linguine and let that simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Gorgeous. Once that is done, you're going to add the cooked pasta al dente and then some grated cheese to it. Mix that together and now it is ready to be plated. Put it on a plate, get all that delicious sauce on top and sprinkle some chopped basil as well. And there it is, pasta nina nonna from Chris and Tony's with garlic and basil, grape tomatoes, tomato sauce. Gorgeous.